Hello guys, today I'll be playing Terraria. Now if you're wondering what happened to Eternity Strike, it already ended now. Now, only Season 1, don't worry, Season 2 will be a thing. Now if you're wondering, what happened to Season 1? Well, the Terraria mod add-on thing, it's not really very good. For survival, even. Because first of all, the bosses are not that fun to fight, except for King Slime. So yeah, I know everything about Terraria, but I never tried Experiment Mode or Master Mode. But I'll try Master Mode, because why not? Why the fuck not? Alright then. Let's waste our time here. Spider Clobber. Difficulty. Classic for reasons. Yeah, just, you know why. You know. I also want to look at this. The skin. Yeah, I think I look fine like this. Yep. I'm jaundice. No, is that a thing, guys? I hope so. Can we picking this, clearly? That color? Let me try to get Josuke's hair. Stroheim! Hell yeah. Let me try to read the blonde here. Oh yeah! We're just gonna be doing some random crack shit. Yeah, that's good. Boom. Favorited. Okay then. Large. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a long time to like load in properly. And yes, I'm gonna get Master. And do I like the Crimson or Corruption more? My answer, to be honest, the Crimson. So let's go with the Crimson, I guess. So let me name this. This is not Eternity Strike, this is Terraria. So I'll name this Overhaul through Tremor. Overhaul through Tremor. Just got an interesting seed here. Okay, I want to get a very interesting one, because why not? Okay, so let me do this again. Oh yeah. Okay, now there's a seed written here on this paper. 70618 750. Okay. Yeah, guys, this will take a long time if you're wondering what happened to Eternity Strike Season 1. The add-on is just not suitable for survival, so it's more like a pilot season. So, of course, I think Season 1 will still happen, but in a different world of Eternity Strike. This will take a long-ass time, won't it? So, yeah. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, so I waited like 30 minutes, and it's already halfway there. Let's wait 30 more minutes. Guys, listen, it's almost there. Like, it's right here. Just a couple more minutes. And it's done. Alright then, guys, the world is preparing. It's really preparing. Alright then, ignore this. Okay. Ooh. I cannot wait to play the game finally. Please load. But this is taking a while. Thank you. Overhaul through Tremor. Let's go! Right then, let's go! Goodness, I started loading the world at like 7:19, and now it's like 8:20. Oh my god. Jeez. Okay, finally. So yeah, since it's master mode, I gotta be really fast right now. Doesn't matter. Timber. Good. Uh-huh. Oh no. Oh, die. Shit. What are you? What are you doing here? Goodness, you're like a mini boss. To be honest, you're like the wyvern. Like freaking hard. Holy shit. Not messing with you, buddy. And yes, I have this. Don't ask me at all, please. I'm like begging you. Don't ask how I'm doing this. Come on, let's see what I can make. Platinum. Wait a minute, where is the yo-yo? I just need yo-yos and cobwebs, jeez. Bruh. Bruh, there's lead there. Goodness, you're so freaking tough. Get out of my way, guys. Okay, Jesus Christ, I'm already dying. And it's not even the first night. Lemon. Yeah, you go fight him off for me, please. Okay then. Jesus Christ. I'm already dying. Great, you. Another mini boss. Great, another mini boss. I'm probably gonna die now. If I don't make a house soon. I at least gotta make something. Since it's master mode, I cannot help myself but cheat. Really, 2 mini bosses at once. I knew it. Like, dude. Can I relax for once? What a drag. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no. Stay away from me. How much HP do you have? It's 75, God. That's not even a lot, yet I'm doing shit. Against you. Goodness, guide, help me, please. Help me, guide. I'm willing to do anything for you at this point, please. Just help me. These things are murdering me. These monsters. Let him die. giant what now? Okay. Finally, something normal. Oh, really? Can I please play the game? Or in fact, build? Please? I want to build? Can I please do a task? Goodness, I really need that lead and stone under there. Now! No waiting, it's gotta be now. Oh God. God! Leave me alone! How hard is that? This is like a freaking mini boss, to be honest. Present. Okay. Not too OP, but... Can you stop? Can I fucking build? You fucking dick. God! So annoying and rude. No, I'm not gonna eat shit anymore. I will have to enter another fight that is literally unnecessary. I'm not gonna craft those yet. Okay, then there should be more than enough, clearly. Done. Goodness, I'm probably gonna have to prepare for a fight. Okay, he's fighting for me. He has to be alive, though. I have to help him out, too. You know. Okay, then. Okay, then. Yes. I built the house before night. Yes. So I can even leave this place. At least. That's what I would love to do. Was that a king slime? Or am I just seeing things? I was just seeing things. Good. God, I was so horrified for a second. God. I don't need these at the moment. What I really need is, what do I do again? There it is. There. Reduced to nothingness. Gone. Reduced to nothingness. That's all you are now. Something pathetic that should not even exist for some reason. You know. Craft. Heavy metal. We're doing good. Already. Okay, good. Now I can actually defend myself. No. Let's see what I can do. Okay, I gotta get arrows too. Cause you know, just to be able to use the lead bow. Cause I have 2 weapons now currently. Only. I think I need to get a gold coin. Yeah, considering on what's happened to me so much, no, not yet. And about the seed, why did I pick it? Well, there's an enchanted sword shrine here somewhere located. I don't know where exactly. Oh yeah, already. This is going good. It's going perfectly. But I'm just gonna cover this off because zombie mobs really love to bother me. Oh yes, this will be awesome. Yes. Now I have a weapon. And I have a gold coin. Fuck! Fuck! Fucking bitch! You don't fucking let me move or do anything! Let me do things! Please! God! Jesus Christ, this is a headache! A headache! Okay, that's probably not the right tree. Who knows? That's probably not the correct one. I know it's on the left side for sure. Okay, ooh. I don't want to start an event. Early. Okay, never mind, whatever, forget it. Wait, is that a zombie arm? Hell yeah. I could have that. Fuck! Fucking bitch! Stop one-hitting kill me! That's so unfair! It's cheating! God! Master mode is so hard. I can't move around in the night. I just have to freaking stay here. That's it. It's basically all I can do right now. It's all. All I can do is stay here. And it's not freaking fun. I only have 2 weapons to defend myself. Let me see if I can get another freaking farm star at least. Hell yes. Yes. Yes, at least something good came out of this. At least. Let's see. Did you see how hard he hit me? Bro! Goodness! I absolutely hate these mobs. I hate them. Like, can I please do things? Bro, all I can do is fight in the night. And my guy's gonna die. Are you kidding me? I need him. Okay, then let me sit here. Oh. One day, I'll eventually craft it. The star cannon. And I'll kick your asses with it. So don't be shocked if you die without many mercy. Because you were never giving me mercy. You were never to begin with. Never. And plus, you're all like freaking boss fights. It's like fighting the Moon Lord again. God. So freaking hard. No. No. No, no, no. I have to avoid fights with everything. I have to really do that. I have to avoid any fight. And I have to heal immediately. Okay, no, 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 no. And I cannot show anything mercy at all. No matter what it is. And I have to be quick about making a oh, no, 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 no. I have to keep my distance. Social distancing, man. Social distancing. I don't care what you are. The rules. Oh my god! Can I move? Can I just freaking make way? Please? I'm cornered. No, okay, okay. No, 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 no. This is not fair. You can't play. I can't play. Can I please play? Oh my god. I'm basically making no progress because of the zombies and the eyes. They don't let me do. Thank goodness it's about to be daytime. I need it daytime already. I seriously am not kidding. Look at my freaking guy. He took a lot of damage. Poor dude. Poor dude. No, I don't want that. Yes, you're right. Especially when you're new. Oh no. They're about to go away. And if they don't, it's death for them. I'm not joking. It's seriously gonna be death for them. Okay, I just have to wait. Goodness, they're freaking hitting on them. Should I just... There. Finally! Okay, they're gonna start just freaking off. Of course, have to... let me see if they can drop anything. Of course, they can still drop loot. So now's my chance to... kill them. And of course, the first boss I'm gonna have to fight is King Slime, because, you know, Master Mode is freaking difficult. And this world is not gonna show me any mercy. Even when I'm trying to do things. And, I'm gonna have to really get that enchanted sword. Sir, I'm not gonna have the lead sword for longer than an episode, and we know that. Yes. Yes, I know. Don't get too emotional. "60 ranged attack damage." Throw this away. I don't want it. I don't care, I just need everything useful. Okay then. No, I'm not interested. I really need to also make a grappling hook. Okay then, let's see if this is the one. Okay, this is kind of cruel. Okay then, I cannot get it. It's not here. Maybe because the world is large, okay? I freaking hate that when that happens. No, I don't want a mushroom. They're wastes now. They're useless. Why would I want one? Wait, no. Stay out of my way, please. Okay, that's mandatory. It's mandatory. I really need to find a third damn weapon or else I'm fucked. course, no luck. Okay then. Nope, no shrine in here. Okay. Okay then. Legendary. Okay, this is a legendary. That's very good. It does 13 damage. Hell yeah. It's gonna be good and useful. Okay then. I might get a frost sword. If I do not get that enchanted, at least let me get the one in the frost biome. At least, please. Like please. I'm begging you. Yo, that would have been deadlier if I did not have these claws. No, no. If I did not land in water, I'd be finished. Just so you know. It's probably really the baddest idea I've ever had. Just to go here early hard mode. Let's go, I guess. No, I don't want to die. Stop! No, 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 no. Get the... No! No. The fuck? Yes. Oh, man. Yeah, at least it's something. It's worth it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hang on. Alright then. Now guys, I have something interesting. Oh yeah, ice torches. These are much better and much cooler. Goodness, I'm faster on ice. That's good, but also gonna be annoying at the same time, you know. Wait. I see something interesting. Yes. I just have to take this off. Something bad happens, don't worry, I'll just protect myself. I regret that. Finally, now let's throw this away. I do not want to take up space in the inventory. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be so good. Throwing lines, hell yeah. Let's go the other way now. Maybe there might actually be an enchanted sword there. I just thought of something. I could probably, actually, get out of my way. Eggnog. Nice. Let's see. I would actually need that. That's a drag. And an annoyance. Another present. I wonder what it is. Ooh. I'm getting so much Christmas. Well, it's probably because it's about Christmas time. That's probably why. Oh yeah. Let's not deal with that bitch. Yeah, we all know why I already hit him. We know. Sunflower, hell yeah. I'm taking that. It's sunflower. Diamonds. Hmm. Really? No! Oh my god, I just was gonna look!